Hey cooks, welcome back. Special holiday edition. I'm cooking again. It's your man Ken. We're doing it, you know how we do it. This channel, we cook, everyday cooks. Nothing fancy, but we're gonna get the job done and it's gonna be delicious. Cooks, we're doing it. We did it last year, we're doing it this year. And thank goodness we still can do this. We're doing the $10 holiday meal. Okay, $10. And you can have a holiday meal, cooks. You don't have to spend a lot of money. All right, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Okay, we've got turkey. Yeah, that's a whole turkey. Mashed potatoes and gravy and stuffing. Okay, cooks? What we're gonna do first, what you have to do, one, throw out your turkey in the refrigerator. You cannot, now, cooks, do not buy your turkey like I used to do back in the day on the Wednesday before Thanksgiving. That's just too, you're pushing it. Okay, give yourself some time. Throw this thing out in your refrigerator. I didn't say refrigerator. In your refrigerator. Throw it out, get it ready, and then we're gonna brine this today, day before we cook it. Okay, we're gonna smoke it. You know we're gonna smoke it. Day before we smoke it, we're gonna brine it. I'm gonna show you how to brine it. Simple brine, on time, and that brine. I'm doing too much. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. Get your turkey in a pot. We got a gallon of water, half cup salt, quarter cup peppercorns, and some lemons in here. Okay, cooks? We're gonna fill this thing up to the line, get it in the refrigerator, at least 12 hours, cooks. That's what I'm telling you to do. It's gonna get flavor all up in this thing. It's gonna be great, cooks. Do that. We'll be back. We're gonna get this thing on the smoker. It's gonna tenderize this turkey, cooks. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks, we're back. Your man Ken, I'm cooking again. Like I said, we're doing the $10 holiday, Thanksgiving, whatever you want, whatever holiday, or any Sunday dinner. I'm trying to teach y'all, you don't have to spend a lot of money, okay? Money's tight out here, it's a recession, come on. You seen the gas, you see the rents, you see the house price, you see the interest rates. Somebody know about that. I'm going to teach you how to do. We're going to do it cheap. All right. This is a $5 turkey, y'all. $5. Simple ingredients. We only have two, y'all. Soul food season. Boom. Which is basically it's salt, garlic, and paprika. That's all it is. They call it soul food. This is the cheapest way to get it pre-mixed. This is $1. Okay. Dollar General. Get up on that. And canola spray. So instead of a mustard binder, spray the turkey. Helps it brown. And it helps the seasoning adhere to it. I said adhere. That's the word for today. Stay with your man. I'm going to do that. We're going to get it on the pellet smoker. And we're going to make it work. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks, we're here. Remember I said, keep it simple. We're going to kiss it. No canola oil. If you have butter oil, whatever spray you have, spray it. Liberally spin it with that wing game, okay? That's the crispy game. Okay. Now, if you used to do graffiti, you know how to do it. If you didn't, doesn't matter. Easy work. That's it. Okay, cooks. Soul food season. Like I said, this is salt, garlic, and paprika. That's all's in there. But it makes it easy. We're going to get it on there. Again, liberally. Catch your side. Now, catch your side game. Get that thigh. Get that thigh. Okay, get in there. Get your wing game. Tighten that up nice. Okay, get it on there. But not crazy. Like I said, you know, this is a simple recipe, cooks. You know, get on that pellet smoker, man. It's gonna taste delicious, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. Okay, money is money, man. That's it. You said what? Yeah, that's it. That is it for your smoked turkey. Okay, cooks. We're gonna hit the pellet smoker. Get on the expert grill. Fire up to 300 degrees. That's it. Great for us. Great for you. They cook kind of fast when they're that small, okay? Great size. 10 to 12 pounds, that's the smoke size. Now, you want the 17 pounder? I say go for the oven. Now, if you don't have a smoker or a grill, do just what I did, the brine, little season, slap it in the oven. Same thing, okay? I would do 325. Get it in there. It should be delicious anyway because it's going to be tender from the brine. Okay, cooks? Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks, we're out here. You know what it is. I actually set the 325. Let's get it on. I'm talking about 2.5 hours, maybe 3 10-pound turkey again. Okay, cooks? Let's get it. Peel it up. Get it on here. I'm going to flip it around. I'm going to flip it around. Flip it around. Get it on there. Bunch of rub. Bunch of rub. Bunch of rub. Get it on. Boom. All right. Right now, I just want to brown that skin up, okay? No probe yet. Okay? I'm not doing that yet. Okay? Sit there another hour, I might spin it. Another hour, in the second hour, I might spin it. That's going to be it, probably. Okay? Stay with your man. Subscribe to the channel. Like this video. Hit that notification bell. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks, we out here. You know what I'm talking about. We're doing the $10 drama holiday meal. The turkey's on. We're on for a couple hours. Oh, let's get it. Let's get it. She's doing all right. We're going to baste it with butter. Okay? Baste this thing with, well, this is margarine, actually. Let's baste it up. The season has stuck to it. We're going to get it together. Turn this thing around, y'all. All sides matter. All sides matter. You can steal that. Give me credit, okay? Oh my God. Oh, all sides matter. Okay, cook, all sides matter. Margarine based. Love you some margarine. You want to do butter? You want to get fancy with it? Like I said, this is the $10 olive. I got some margarine. Get that drumstick. Just like Disney. That's the Disney drumstick right there. It's been about 2.5 hours. Okay, folks? Now, I'm going to tell you, I thought it would be a lot browner than it is. I'm going to hit with the probe right now after this one. Okay, a little base. I'm cooking at 325. So maybe I should get a little warmer, a little hotter too. Not warm. A little hotter in the game. We're going to probe it. You know, like the pros do. Hey, cooks. We're going to get this thing probe it up. Probe it the breasts. Where the breasts? What's that? We're going 165, maybe 170. Dark meat, 175, 180. Okay, cooks? You know how we get down this channel. We don't do raw. Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. This just in. Oh, she almost ready. She's just not brown. That butter base I just did, she'll get it together. We close. Okay, we close. It's 160 right now on the strength. She's at 165. She's almost done. She just don't look appetizing. We're gonna brown this thing up. She about it. Stay with your man. That's how we get it done. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks, we're here. This is the $10 holiday recession-proof meal. I'm trying to tell you how to do it. Okay, cooks? Now you're gonna do the stuffing, okay? The turkey's out there. She's almost ready. Just brown it up, actually. She's about ready. Okay, cooks? This, get yourself a pack of celery, $1.50. Okay, cooks? We are under budget. And an onion, boom. Now, if you can get the bag, that's gonna mess you up. That's it. This is under $10. I got an onion for 67 cents. Okay, cooks? So, but first, the margarine. See, because if you buy butter, you're out. So we're gonna melt this margarine. That margarine was $1.15. Okay? Melt the margarine. Melt the margarine. Put the celery and the onion in that melted margarine. Okay, cooks? Then the broth, we got that turkey neck. Right? The turkey neck game, that is our broth. Okay, cooks? We saving money. We doing it big. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks, we back. Doing this stuff, like I told you. That's how you do the budget. Take that turkey neck. That is your broth, okay? You ain't gotta buy that broth neck. that jar, that can, y'all. Look at this. It said 2 cups of broth. I got 2 cups. Put some water in that on that turkey neck. Look at this. Better than broth, y'all. Better than broth. Boom, out the pot. Fresh. Boom. Okay. Let me get this on. Get this popping and hook and cook it. Okay. Get this together. Put the vegetables. That's what we're gonna cook the vegetables in, y'all. This is your stuffing. Okay, cooks. If you're new to stuffing, look at this. Easy. Celery and onion. Chop it up. Finely. Okay, cooks. Get that in a rotation. Get that together. Boom. Look at that. You got the margarine. That's $1. $1.50 now. It went up. It's $1.50. Look at that. So you got your margarine. You got your turkey broth from that turkey neck. You pulled out that turkey. Let that get together. Let that work. Bring this almost to a boil. Then you put your bag stuffing it in. You got some good stuffing, cooks. Dave's your man. I'm cooking again. All right, folks, we back. Our celery has cooked down with the onion, with the turkey neck broth. Oh, that's how you do this. Look at this. Pepper's Farm, $2.50. Go ahead and get it. Now, if you want to do your own thing, I don't know. But we're going to get it in this pot, y'all. Put it in this pot, bang. Oh, it's popped. Look at this tray. Okay, cooks? Turn it off, by the way. Turn it off. Moisten it over. Okay, cooks? Moisten this thing. You see what we got in here. You see what we got in here. This is going to be some good stuff with it. And she's coming together. She's coming together, y'all. So it's popping off. It's popping. It's popping off. Stay with your man. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Share this video with your friends. Show them you can do a holiday dinner for $10. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again. I cook cereal. Stuffing ready. Turkey almost ready. Mashed potatoes. Cooks. Straight out the box. Straight out the box. We're doing a $10 meal, man. Tighten it up. Now, I got some things you can do. 1, margarine butter in your water. We got this coming up. It's gonna be good. Now, you can add a little chicken broth, vegetable broth, or that turkey neck broth. Put that in there. It's extra flavor, cooks, okay? And it's free, okay? And we're gonna do, boom. All right? So I'm talking about gravy game. We're not doing that fancy. Come on. This is used to be 50 cents. Now it's 80 cents. But this is the $10 meal, y'all. Come on, man. Stay with your man. I'm trying to tell you, put it together. If you got a big family and your money ain't right, this is it. Stay with your man. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Subscribe to the channel. I'm cooking again. All right, cooks. We came to the end. We got the mashed potatoes. We got the stuffing. We got the turkey, the $5 holler. Come on, man. Under $10. Get your holiday dinner together. Under $10. Get those turkeys, man, from the supermarkets, y'all. Smoke it, put it in your oven, grill it, fry it. I don't care what you do with it. But make it work. Make it work economically for your family. Your man's here. Shout out to everybody. Subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification. I don't even know what that means. Hit the notification bell, man. My son told me that. Hit the notification bell. Get all my videos. We doing it, y'all. Stay with your man. I'm cooking again.